In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook cannot expand folder. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access important emails. It's often caused by a corrupted Outlook profile, problematic add-ins, issues with cached exchange mode, or permission problems with shared mailboxes. But don't worry, we will go through each step to resolve this together. The first step is to close and reopen Outlook. This is a simple yet effective action that can often resolve minor glitches. When you close Outlook, ensure that it completely exits. You can check the Task Manager to confirm there are no Outlook processes running in the background. Once you reopen Outlook, see if the problem persists. This step is crucial because it refreshes the application and can sometimes clear up temporary issues that are causing the folder to not expand. Next, we will start Outlook in safe mode. To do this, press the Windows key and the letter R together on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box. In that box, type outlook.exe/safe and hit Enter. You will see Outlook launch in safe mode, which disables unnecessary add-ins that might be causing the issue. If you can open the folder in safe mode, it indicates that one of the add-ins might be problematic. This is important because it helps isolate the issue, narrowing down the potential causes. Now that you are in safe mode, let's disable those unnecessary add-ins. Go to the File menu, then select Options, followed by Add-ins. In the Add-ins window, find the Manage menu at the bottom and select COAM Add-ins before clicking Go. Here you will see a list of add-ins currently enabled. Clear the checkboxes for any add-ins that you do not need, and then restart Outlook. This action can significantly improve performance and resolve conflicts that hinder the folder from expanding. If the problem continues, the next step is to repair Microsoft Office. First, open the Settings app on your computer and navigate to Apps, then select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office in the list and click on it. You will see an option with 3 dots labeled More Options. Click on that and then select Modify. Here, you will be prompted to run a quick repair first. This process is quick and can resolve many common issues. If that does not fix the problem, you can try the online repair option, which is more thorough. This step is vital as it ensures that any underlying issues with Office itself are addressed. If, after these repairs, the issue persists, we will create a new Outlook profile. Open the control panel and navigate to Mail. Click on Show Profiles, which will show you the profiles currently set up. Select the Add button to create a new profile. Name this profile something distinctive, and once created, set it as the default profile. After doing this, reopen Outlook with the new profile. Creating a new profile often resolves deeper issues that are linked to the original profile and can lead to a smoother experience. Lastly, if the error occurs only with a shared mailbox or a public folder, it's essential to verify that you have the necessary permissions. Ensure that the mailbox owner has granted you folder visible and appropriate access rights. This step is crucial because lacking permissions can lead to access issues that prevent folders from expanding. Following these steps will help you diagnose and fix the problem effectively. Remember, patience is key, and soon you'll have Outlook working seamlessly again.